In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom contact fields for your contacts. So to do that, we're going to navigate over here to Setup on the left-hand side, and that's going to bring us to our Fields section. So I'm going to go ahead and add my first field, and let's say that I want to find out what university they went to. And this could be a text field, it could be a drop-down field, a radio button group. So we could say select and then type different options like UCT or Tux, or these are just common South African universities. So I go ahead and do that. But I think generally, a common text field would probably be better for this kind of information. You can also then put in a hint here if you want to, and you can go to advanced settings. You can choose to validate this. So we can add validation of it, like a maximum character or minimum character count or regex. I'm just going to leave that alone. And you can say whether or not this needs to be unique or not. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave those two settings alone and hit save. You can, of course, add as many of these custom fields as you need to. So we can go ahead and add another field, and let's say highest level of education. Whoops. For example, there we go. And here we'll make it a radio button group. So let's select that, and we can say high school, undergrad, postgrad, and PhD. And then we can go ahead and hit save. So now if a user is filling in their details, let's come to our website quickly by clicking on View Your Website. I'm just going to add an empty template and add an empty block. And over here, I'm just going to add not a contact form, sorry, I want to add an opt-in form. And with this opt-in form, I can come here to my field section and I can add those custom fields that I've just entered. So I can choose to add the highest level of education and their university and, their first name and last name. So first name, last name. And then when a user then opts into this form, they'll be requested to enter those custom fields. And the way this looks within the contact itself, if I come back here and I come to my contacts and I click into Amy, you'll see that we then have these custom fields added to the contact below. So you can also go ahead and update these custom fields manually if you need to. So that is how you can add custom fields to your contacts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can segment your audience. I'll see you there.